Hello everybody, how's it going? Today, I'm doing an in-depth tour on a 2002 Chevrolet Corvette. This is going to be an in-depth tour. I'm going to start up, get an engine shot, go over the features on the interior and exterior, as well as give the data on the performance. So, without any further time to waste, we'll go ahead and start it up, let it run. Here's the key. Fog lights turn on automatically when you unlock the vehicle. This has a yellow paint exterior, convertible top, but I'll show you how to do that later in the video. And black leather interior. Alright. Sweeping gauges. Very nice. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Six-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn on the headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Automatic driver's side window, pillarless windows. Go and check out the exterior. Like I said, yellow exterior paint. Vents. Corvette rims on Michelin tires. Pop-up headlamps. Like I said, the fog lamps are down below, and the tail lights. Corvette brake pads. Quad tail lamps. Quad exhaust pipes. Alright, we'll go ahead and see how it sounds. So we'll check the engine first. This has a 5.7 liter Corvette V8. Alright, pretty nice. Alright, we'll go ahead and get in, rev her up a couple times. See how it sounds. Alright, go and check out the interior now. Bose sound system. Dual automatic climate control. Active handling. Alright, we'll go ahead and get out, and I'll show you how to open the top. I already got the handles pulled out. And now what you do is you get out of the car. Press this little yellow button. You pull that first. Then you pull this up. And you slide this right in there. And then you just so there you go. We'll go ahead and put it back up. Alright. Then you just lay it down. And there's what it looks like with the top down. Alright, we'll go ahead and climb back in it. Go ahead and turn it off. I'll show you how to open the trunk. You can either press it by the button on the key or inside the car. Not that much space when the trunk's down, or the top's down. So, alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on a 2002 Chevrolet Corvette. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.